Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna make this YouTube subscriber counter using ESP32, OLED display and a 3D printed case. Before that, this video is sponsored by Thomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India with high quality products at a reasonable price. Check them out. Link is in the video description. To make this subscriber counter, we will need an ESP32 Wi-Fi module, an I2C OLED display, also the 3D printed case. You can get the STL file for printing from the video description. Refer the schematics before wiring, so it would be more easier. Firstly, attach the 3.3 volt of the ESP32 to the VCC of OLED. Then the ground pin of ESP32 to the ground pin of OLED display. Attach the digital pin 2 of the ESP32 to the SCL pin of OLED display. The digital pin 4 of the ESP32 to the SDA of OLED display. To show the subscriber counter on ESP32, we need to enable the YouTube API. For that, go to Google Developer Console. From the top right arrow, click on the new project to create it. After that, we need to rename the project. Here I am renaming it as Subscriber Counter for my ease. Once it's done, click on Create. After that, we need to enable the API. For that, go to API Library and search for YouTube Data API and click on the YouTube Data API version 3. After that, we need to enable the API. Click on Enable. Also, we need to create credentials. From the choose list, we need to choose the Data API version 3, also the web browser JavaScript. Once it's done, click on Public Data. Here is our API key. We need to copy the API. On the Arduino code, we need to edit the 4 lines. First of all, the Wi-Fi name, the Wi-Fi password, the API key and also the channel ID. Paste the API key which was copied. To get the channel ID, go to the YouTube channel and copy the YouTube ID. Paste it in the double quotes. Once it's done, go to the tools, select the right board. Here I am using the Firebeetle ESP32, also the right COM port. Once it's done, click on Upload. After uploading the code to ESP32, we can see the OLED turns on. It would take more than 20 minutes to show the data on the first try. So, wait patiently. I am going to place everything inside this 3D printed case. You can get the STL file for printing from the video description. Firstly, place the ESP32 inside the 3D printed case. Then secure it with some hot glue. After that, attach the OLED display to the front panel by using some hot glue to fix it. Neatly secure everything inside the box and close it. This is how the YouTube subscriber count looks after the build. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Senomodif signing out.